Every Tuesday at 4:17 p.m., Sarah's smart doorbell would send her the same terrifying alert. Motion detected. Someone pressing the doorbell. But when she checked the footage, no one was ever there. The button would press down by itself. After weeks of this, Sarah decided to watch the footage frame by frame. That's when she saw it. At exactly 4:17, a small hand reached up from below the camera's view. A child's hand. Sarah lived alone. She had no children, but she remembered now. 7 years ago, little Emma from next door had gone missing. Right after ringing Sarah's doorbell,